Yeah, 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 yeah. I gotta run to the bathroom. I gotta find my taxi. It's so easy,
no.
you will see. You'll see. So don't count 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? Tell me. It's so easy, busy, you'll see. You just gotta count 1, 2, 3. Sit down and here we go. Try it once and you will know. You just gotta count to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Beep time, red in my body. Beep time, I'll be in my body. Beep time, blue. It's beep time, gray. No, I can.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Yeah.
Magic water toy.
Yeah.
Magic water toy. It takes the colors away. All I have to do is splash, splash this way.
Wow. Woohoo!
I lost my perfect color. What
Fantastic.
can I do? Green, green. Train, a super train, yeah, yeah.
Hey.
On the train tracks,
Pink.
UVA.
Blue.
I want to
Green.
be a driver.
Yellow.
Choo-ga, choo-ga, choo-choo-choo. Delivering some food to you. Choo-ga, choo-ga, choo-choo-choo. Choo-choo-choo-choo. Take it a climb.
Woohoo! Oh no, your nails.
Eh?
Okay. You should regularly trim long nails to protect toys and gadgets from scratches and keep your hands safe.
Yay!
Healthy, yummy snacks. It's picnic time. Healthy, yummy snacks fell on the ground. Help me carry them, pretty please. A super railway will carry everything. Papa, 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 puzzle game is fun. Papa, 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 it can be so hard. Oh no, no.
Huh?
Something is
Oh no.
my God.
Hello.
Danger, what's going on? I need to think how to get you out. My pretty doll, I will help you out. Five
Whoa.
fingers working hard.
Yeah.
The princess
Blue.
will
Woohoo!
save you
Red.
fast.
Light blue. Orange. Yellow.
Don't worry,
Fantastic.
we never stop. We always have a goal. Working together is the best.
Wow.
A B C D A B C D E F G. In love, young, wild and free. That's where we wanna be. Just you and me. A B C D E F G A B C. Aww.
Wow. Wow.
Oh no, oh no. your side.
Fantastic!
What?
Red shark, hello, hello, red shark.
Oh.
Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello. Turn around and show your fin. Red shark, hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello, red shark. Hello, hello. Come on, show us how you swim. Red shark, shark, shark. 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 Red shark, shark, shark.
Whoa!
Orange shark, hello, hello, orange shark. Banana,
Oh.
banana, nana, nana, banana, nana, nana. Hey monkey, here I come. Banana, banana, nana, nana, banana, nana, nana. Hey monkey, stomp the floor. Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to
Wow.
me. Hey monkey, monkey, hey yeah.
Ah! Aha! Great!
This moonstone hunting is so exhausting. I don't know how much more of this I can take. Sydney, haven't those pandas found anything yet?
We have the panda scouring every inch of Magic-y. But they've uncovered nothing so far.
They're so slow. Don't they know it's going to be nighttime soon? We don't want to have to wait until morning to start looking again. We want that moonstone now!
Wait, what is that?
Okay, everyone, keep your eyes peeled for something shining like a star.
I can't look. I might fall out without my lucky stone.
Ouch! Not so hard! Your claws!
What is Billy up to? And why is she going out to look for the moonstone now when it's getting dark? Keep your eye on them, Cindy, while we get that berry on the case.
Hey! What's that shining down there?
Oh, could it be? It is! It's my moonstone!
Good job, Truman! Scorch, can you land next to that shiny spot, please? Sure! Preparing for landing! What was that? What's going on? Why can't I land? Good work, Badberry. That invisible shield really works. Too bad it can't be pink. Excellent! Now that Billy can't land, let's go get that moonstone!
Oh, this shield goes on forever!
We're finished! They'll get my stone for sure!
No, they won't! You're gonna get us through this shield, Sir Kitty Cat!
Me? But how?
With those sharp claws of yours, Truman and I will hold you out of the basket while you reach down and cut a hole through the shield.
What? I can't without my lucky charm! We're too high up! I'll fall!
No, you won't! You don't need your lucky charm to do this. You just need to have confidence in yourself.
Yeah, I don't know.
Sir Kitty Cat, you're the only one who can get us out of this problem. I'm counting on you, my royal guard.
Okay, hoist me over. All right, Shield, you think you're so tough? But now you're gonna feel the full force of the claw. I did it!
I don't think I can fit through that hole.
That's okay. We can climb down on this rope.
Good thinking, Truman.
Quick! The twins' balloon just landed.
Come on down, Sir Kitty Cat. You can do it. Just believe in yourself. Oh, the moonstone. It's over here. Hey, that's Sir Kitty Cat's moonstone.
Oh!
Good job, Sir Kitty Cat. Sir Kitty Cat, you did it. Thanks to your courage, you got your lucky charm back.
You were awesome. Fearless.
Guess what I found?
Guess what we found?
My storage box, where I keep all my favorite things.
In your nap cushion after searching all day and night.
Oh, my moonstone! I must have put it in there for safekeeping and then completely forgot. Sorry.
Oh, you're going to be sorry, all right.
Let's see how you like your whiskers twister.
Ladies, may I present each of you a present for all your hard work? I feel like I'm not in need of a lucky charm anymore. As long as I believe in myself, I'm good.
Oh, well, that's quite generous of you.
Thank you, Sir Kitty Cat.
And thank you, Your Highness. We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic.